Welcome back, everybody. I'm in beautiful Oceanside, California, home of the Pacific Ocean, surfing the water of the waves, the Top Gun house, the famous house from Top Gun the movie, and also home to my friend Michael Andres, the owner of Ohana Street Bites. He cooks up lots of great food on the Blackstone Griddle, so let's get on over there and see what he's got going on. I first met Michael a little over 3 years ago when I passed through Southern California on the Griddle tour. We've been friends ever since. Michael spent the past decade working as a mail carrier on the streets of Oceanside. Then a local bar owner asked him if he could do a pop-up to feed their hungry patrons. The rest, as they say, is history. Soon Michael was doing pop-ups at the local Moose Lodge, catering events, and fielding requests to bring Ohana's island vibe to businesses throughout the area. Ohana became so popular, Michael was recently able to walk away from his career with the post office to ride the wave of success and deliver his killer food full-time in the Oceanside area. My buddy Michael Andres, Blackstone Griddle crew member. First up, the Terry.
Smashburger. First things first, pineapple on the griddle.
And from there, it's a tsunami of island flavor, starting with a quarter-pound meatball smashed and seasoned, a brioche bun buttered and placed on the Blackstone. Smashburgers are perfect for pop-ups because they're ready to be flipped in just a minute or two. Those patties glistening in the California sun, and the buns are toasted to perfection. Oh my goodness, down with a little provolone cheese, then it gets drowned with teriyaki sauce. Macaroni salad topped with green onions and sesame seed. Michael tops everything with his signature Hawaiian sauce. Time to plate it up with that slice of griddled pineapple on top, a piece of fresh buttered lettuce, and the patty stack topped with thin red onion, green onion, teriyaki sauce, crispy fried onion for texture. Welcome to the luau. You've gotta be kidding me. The double Terry Smashburger with Hawaiian macaroni salad. Order up. Oh, let's give it a try. Macaroni salad. I'm a sucker for macaroni salad.
Is it good?
So good. The sunshine, the surf, the palm trees. When I think about Southern California, this is what comes to mind. Michael's done such a great job of combining his Hawaiian heritage with Southern California beach culture with Ohana Street Bites.
Now that the Blackstone is sizzling, let's get an Ohana Dog on.
The Ohana Dog starts with an all-beef hot dog, scored and put on the griddle to sizzle. A little water and a basting cover, thinly sliced bell pepper down on the griddle as well, making sure the peppers are sauteed and that hot dog is cooked all the way through. Finally, they warm up a seeded hot dog roll, and it's time to plate up the Ohana Dog with the bell peppers and top with a Hawaiian staple, smoked pork, the sauce, diced tomatoes, green onions, pickled red onion, a little bit of jalapeno for heat, and of course, the crispy fried onions, just like the Terry Smashburger. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that.
Take a look at that.
Let's give it a try. I'm here with Carrie.
Like you carry a box. Made the bacon fried corn for Cinco de Mayo. Bomb. Taught my dad the stir fry. Amazing.
I'm gonna blush, Carrie. So fun. We get to meet friends everywhere. Here in Oceanside, California, baby. Is this an eating Oceanside sighting right over here?
This right here is the quintessential business that you want to support. Small, family owned, literally starting from the ground up and watching them flourish That's what it's all about.
Blackstone Griddle is great for our pop-up. Cook many things at one time, and it's very versatile.
Michael's getting slammed with the dinner rush, so we're gonna have to get ready to take off. Oh my goodness. The Ohana Dog and the Double Terry Smash from Ohana Street Bites. Absolutely delicious. So big shout out and thanks to my buddy Michael Andres with Ohana Street Bites. You can check him out on Instagram.
Ohana Street Bites and low budget meals.
This is Todd and my friend Michael. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the food.
Aloha.